Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bluebird card fast method step by step clearly. To activate your Bluebird card, first, locate the card that you received in the mail. Make sure to have your card handy as you will need the information on it. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Bluebird website. Once on the website, look for the option to activate your card, typically found on the home page. Click on the Activate Card link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your card number. Carefully type in the 16-digit number found on the front of your Bluebird card. After entering the card number, you will need to provide your personal information. Fill in your first and last name as they appear on the card. Next, enter your date of birth. This should match the details you used when you registered for the card. You may also need to provide your social security number for verification purposes. Once you've filled in all required fields, review the information for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Submit button to activate your card. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your card has been activated. For additional security, it's a good idea to create a PIN for your Bluebird account after activation. You can do this through the same website or through the mobile app. Finally, make sure to sign the back of your card. Your Bluebird card is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.